Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 34 of my UCS Millennium Falcon build. So last time I got this cockpit on. It's all connected and mounted inside. Now we're going to continue. Okay, that cockpit is on, so now we're making the covering for that side. Okay, so this should be should get things almost complete. Okay, so this goes there, and then we have that goes here. Now two of these. Now they're covering up all the way down to there. And those goes there. What's going there? What is it pointing to? Oh, this is supposed to go over one. Oh, and I forgot a plate in there. And that goes here. Didn't see that. So this goes all the way down there. Like that. And then this goes here, and the black 1x3 goes there. Okay, now we have one of these. I'm putting a stud on it. A grill. And this clip. Okay. So now we have the two sideways clips in a slope, so this slope goes there. These two clips go here on these bricks. Okay, and then we have a 2x6 in the front. That. These slopes go on the sides here. Did I miss a wing? Yeah, I missed this wing. There's a wing that goes here, and that goes on top of there. Nope, it's not even right. It does go forward one. Okay, that goes there. Then this goes on top of that. Okay, so I think we got parts in there, and now I have this 1x4 wing that goes on the front. Like that. This tile. Two green tiles, which are pretty random in this set. There's a stud in there. I didn't always have a stack. Is that two studs? I just didn't see that again. It just says one, but it looks like there's two there. Oh, because I'm supposed to put one on the previous one. I see. Okay, it's two, and now I have two of these slopes here. I have this guy and a bar. What's going on? Oh, they go into these clips. Okay. Red brick and a slope. One going the other way. Just random red brick in here. Okay. Put that there. We have the slope. Grill and have it 1x3. Tile, 1x2, a space, another 1x2 and a tile, and a 1x2 and a space, and a square tile. Okay, and now another stud. We have binoculars. Why do we have so many binoculars? I'm actually sticking those onto things. Oh, that's why we have the spaces. Well, that's interesting. A stud and a telephone. Okay, and the binoculars again. And a telephone. And binoculars. Okay. That is quite the operation on that. And then that is supposed to slide in over here. Okay. Now, what do we do with that later? Okay. Gray, and then a white one again. And now we have these Technic joints. And we need to make axle. 2 of these, and then I take the red axle and go this way. They're going the same way. Take the red axle, just push that hopefully through. Then I gotta make another one of these. Technic pieces are often difficult. They just take a little more time to put together. A little more, just a little more work to get them hooked up. And then we gotta do another 2 of these guys. That's like that. Okay. Okay, that's those 2. Now I'm supposed to make another one. Let's see. And then I need to hook them in like that. Can I get that pushed in a little more? Always fun with these axles. There we go. And then the other one. think they're the right way. Okay, yeah, they're the right way. Go like that, and then this goes like this. Nope. Like this first. That's quite the connection piece we got going on here. Okay, and that is going on. We're gonna finish putting it together. Okay, it starts on the back there. Okay, just like that. And then randomly we're gonna put this gun on in the what? In this bar. In here. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, this is supposed to hook up. Well, it's not supposed to hook up like that. It's like this. Okay, and now we're putting on a whole bunch of slopes here. That goes there, I think. No, it's a cheese slope. Why would they just put it the right direction? It's facing me instead of the other way. Okay. I think there's 5 of these, and then the little one. Kind of alternating some of these big ones and then dark gray ones. And 2 more dark gray ones. Like that. Now the other side. Like they could have just had it facing me and turned it around, couldn't they? These instructions have been in general more enjoyable than like newer ones, I guess. But so can't complain too much. And we have that one and this one. Okay, now we flip it over. Slope and a stud. And that goes on this side, all the way in the corner. Oh, that right? I guess so. And then we have this one and these 2. This goes right there, and then this is lining up there. Okay. That goes here. We have a 1x1 there. And a hinge. Not putting anything in the hinge. Hinge, and then I have I believe this hinge goes here. And then this one goes there. And there's 2 rails. Oh, which are hanging off over here. Okay, and now I need a plate there. This plate here. That goes there. And this is going here. And we have this hinge piece facing that way. 1x6 on top of that. Okay, oh, I see, it's going into this. So we're on this side, it goes on this side. And slides, supposed to slide into those two pins. Perhaps. Maybe. Not like, oh, I gotta go the other way. Oh, wait a second. I put that on backwards, I guess. No, because we can flip these around. Okay, they go this way. Pins have to be facing backwards. Okay, now I should be able to get that in there. Oh, need to go at the same time. So this was how the other side was not. The other ones haven't been so difficult because they just gave you a. There, well, that's not too bad. Now the other side. We have a cheese slope right on that end. So these are just going to be, that's 5. The stud on this one, go there. And then, wait a second. Oh, there's supposed to be a plate there too. Didn't see that. And then 3 of them just going there on the end. Okay, now we have weird. Why this? Why this way? Why one with a cheese slope? Okay, that's just okay, just a little different. Just a little different. There is a slope over on this side. Okay. And now hold that together. Just gonna finish these off. Finishing the little ones off. I mean, not quite. Okay, we have 2 left. One of those 2. Okay, we got that. Oh, I forgot to put the other stuff on first. Oh no, that's right. I had this guy goes there. Then this goes here. And goes here. A corner bracket there, and then the slope or the hinge there. That's not right, is it? That's there. No, this is hanging off. Okay, that's what it is. Oh, okay. I see we're putting them on after. Okay, this is like this, and then we have there's this guy, goes over here. Then 2 of these to hold that together. Flip that over and you put the slope into that spot. And then this goes on the side. Oh, I see, this is the short side. Goes together like that. Now some arms with the details here. Okay, we're going into these slots here. So that's a neat thing. We gotta plan that out. Those go there, and now I have the hinge pieces, the clicky hinge pieces. They go there, put that there. We have a tile for some reason underneath that. And then a tile hanging on over top. I'm gonna slide in or something. So this goes here. Flip this over. And that goes, oh, that hooks to that. That clicky hinge. That's the wrong direction. That's like that. Okay, there we go. Is it supposed to just kind of, maybe, on top of that round plate. Okay, and then we have, well, here's where the 2 slopes go. The stud. And then we have this guy, we have this slope. Okay, over. Corner plates. The inverse slope goes there. And then we're doing this again. This time this goes like that. And then we take the 2 squares. One goes here, one goes here. Nope. This is in the wrong spot. This should be there. And this goes there. Okay. And now we take the other 2 inverse slopes, and we have this hinge piece goes here, and then the 2 inverse slopes are holding that in. Okay, and that is connecting to that hinge piece. That's quite the operation we got going here. This doesn't seem right. Something seems off here. Particularly on this piece. Am I missing a plate on this? So there's a plate underneath. Oh, I am missing a plate. I'm missing that plate under here. Pretty sure I'm missing that. Okay, yeah, that works. That plate was the difference. Why is not working right? go. Now it's not banging into it. Looks right now. Okay. Goes over there. We're gonna get that. Okay, getting this hooked up over here. So we have this needs to line up. Does it just, oh wait, I see, it's supposed to sit on here. That's what that's for. And it just sits on it, I think. Everything okay there? Like that. Oh, look at that. Goes right on there. No problem. Okay. Well, that has been part 33 of my UCS Millennium Falcon build. Got this last covering on for this cockpit here. So now we got all of that in. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.